Hello students, in previous video we have seen definition of neighborhoods and its some examples. In this video we will see theorems on neighborhoods. First we recall what is neighborhood. Xt be any metric space. N is a subset of X is said to be neighborhood of point X belongs to capital X if there exists r greater than 0 such that Sr of X is subset of capital N. What is definition of neighborhood? A set N is said to be neighborhood of a point X belongs to capital X if there exists an open sphere centered at X which is totally contained in N. Now we will see theorem. First theorem is let order pair Xt be a metric space. A set N is subset of X is a neighborhood of a point P belongs to capital X if and only if there exists an open sphere Sr of X such that P is belongs to Sr of X which is a subset of capital N. Now we will see proof of this theorem. First we assume that a set N is subset of X is a neighborhood of a point P belongs to capital X. Here we have to show that there exists an open sphere Sr of X such that P belongs to Sr of X and that open sphere is contained in N. What we have assumed? We have assumed that a set N is a subset of X is a neighborhood of a point P belongs to capital X. Therefore, by definition of neighborhood, there exists r greater than 0 such that P belongs to Sr of P which is a subset of N. That implies there exists an open sphere Sr of P containing point P and contained in and contained in capital N. So we proved which we want to prove. Now we will prove converse part. Conversely assume that there exists an open sphere. Conversely assume that there exists an open sphere SR of X such that P belongs to SR of X, which is a subset of N. Here we have to show that here our claim is N is neighborhood of point P belongs to capital X. That is to show that there exists an open sphere centered at P and contained in capital N. Now P belongs to SR of X. That implies distance between X and P is strictly less than R. Let R1 is equal to R minus D of X comma P. Then obviously R1 is greater than 0. Let Y is belongs to SR1 of P. Let Y is belongs to SR1 of P. That implies distance between Y comma P is strictly less than R1. Now we have distance between Y comma P is strictly less than R1. That implies distance between Y comma P is strictly less than R minus D of X comma P. Since R1 is equal to R minus D of X comma P. That implies distance between Y comma P plus distance between X comma P is strictly less than R. That implies distance between Y and P plus distance between P and X is strictly less than R. Since here D is symmetric. That implies distance between X and Y is strictly less than R. That implies Y is belongs to SR of X. See here what we have considered. Y is belongs to SR1 of P. What we get? Y is belongs to SR of X. That implies SR1 of X is a subset of SR of X, and what we have given, SR of X is a subset of N. Here I write, that implies SR1 of X is a subset of SR of X, and SR of X is a subset of N. That implies SR1 of P is a subset of SR of X, which is a subset of N. Since here X is P, that implies N is neighborhood of P. Hence, proof is complete. Now we will see next theorem. Next theorem is let X order pair xt be a metric space and X is belongs to capital X. Let Nx be the collection of all neighborhood of X. Then first part is M comma N belongs to Nx. That implies M intersection N is also belongs to Nx. B, N belongs to Nx. That implies, N belongs to Nx and M contains N. That implies N is belongs to Nx. See here what we have given. Nx be the collection of all neighborhoods of X. Then in first part we have to prove if M comma N is belongs to Nx. That implies M intersection N is also belongs to Nx. Proof. First part. We have M comma N is belongs to Nx. That implies M comma N belongs to Nx means M and N are neighborhoods of X. Therefore, that implies there exists R1 comma R2 greater than 0 such that SR1 of X is a subset of M and SR2 of X is a subset of N. Choose R is equals to minimum of R1 comma R2, obviously which is greater than 0, since R1 comma R2 is greater than 0. That implies SR of X is a subset of M and SR of X is a subset of N. That implies SR of X is a subset of M intersection N. That implies M intersection N is belongs to Nx. That means M intersection N is a neighborhood of point X. In second part, we have to prove if N belongs to Nx and M contains N, then we have to show M is neighborhood of X. What we have? We have N belongs to Nx and M contains N. N belongs to Nx implies N belongs to Nx means N is neighborhood of X. That implies there exists r greater than 0 such that SR of X is a subset of N. That implies SR of X is a subset of N since N is contained in N or M contains N. That implies M is belongs to Nx, that is M is a neighborhood of point X. Hence the proof of theorem is complete. Thank you.